Daniel Valcabella and Chris Molinawe, Court 4, please. AIA lucky draw, AIA lucky draw. Calling on Carlo Paharulyaga, Carlo Paharulyaga, Michelle Camarce, Christian Salamat, Evelyn Mocal, Joseph Chan, Frederick Vicaforte, Randall Maunhay, Bobby Amorao. You may make your prize at AIA booth. Winners of AIA Lucky Draw: Carlo Paharulyaga, Michelle Camarce, Christian Salamat, Evelyn Mocal, Joseph Chan, Frederick Vicaforte, Randall Maunhay, and Bobby Amorao. Winners of Johnny P. Gift Certificate: calling on Rochelle Ramos, Ken Sirojales, Siren Boras. You may pay your price at the match level. Players for Court 7, please stand by. Miguel Estardo, IPS Pineda, C. Santos, Eden Del Rosario. Players for Court 7, please stand by.
Announcing the top 16 for mixed doubles level C. Mixed doubles level C. Number 16 from PSS, Mr. Santos Eden Del Rosario. Number 15 from SPR, Jason Abar and Catherine Moreno. Number 14 from Hot Shots, Belinda and Grace Dilatan. Number 30, from Hotshots and SPL, Ron Malanan and Rosian Ramos. Number 12, from Attackers, Daniel Garin and Daniel Gonzalez. Number 11, from PSG, Julian Francisco and James Chua. Number 10, from PSG, Alan Leopoldo and Grace Gonzaga. Number 9, from SPL, Alvin Murao and Carol Murao. Number 8, from PSS, Dennis Portadella and Divine Bamba. Number 7, from PSS, Denmark Santos and Lourdes Villa. Number 6, from Tigua, Carlo Pahaliaga and Wayne Choso. Number 5, from Attackers, Ben Isidoro and Amor Damer. Number 4, from PSS, August Oglayan and Kat Manzano. Number 3, from SPL, Samles Marias and Vic Ponce de Leon. Number 2, from PSS, Derek Enoza and Cesar Nolan. And number 1, from Vladimirs and New Genesis, and Janice Carlo and Ivy Espineta.
Players for Court 7, Miguel Escargo, Ivy Espineta, C. Santos, Eden Del Rosario. Please proceed to Court 7. Players on court number 1. Players on court number 1. Sam Las Marias. Sam Las Marias and E. Ponce. Court number 1. Sam Las Marias and E. Ponce. Dennis Venturina and Grace Lagan. Court number 1. Calling on players Sam Las Marias and E. Ponce, court number 1. Dennis Venturina and Grace Ilaga, court number 1. Players on court number 3, Ben Isidro and Amor Lamer. Ben Isidro and Amor Lamer, court number 3. Radmel Karim and Yanni Gonzalez. Radmel Karim and Yanni Gonzalez, court number 3. Players on court number 3, calling on Ben Isidro and Amor Lamer. Ben Isidro and Amor Lamer. Radmel Karim and Yanni Gonzalez, court number 3. Players for court 5, mixed penalty finals. From Baclackers, J. Bojo, Kiris Rojanes. From PSG, Ray Gomez, Carla Mirana. Court